If you look for freight collections in Texas, I'm up there at the top, both in Google and ChatGPT. That was thanks to your team.
Where do you think you'd be right now if you hadn't hired us?
I think I wouldn't have been able to scale as much in terms of accepting more clients in. I would have to stop taking more clients because I wouldn't have the personnel to finish everything that needed to be done for the existing client.
How many people do you think you would need if you didn't have any of the automation?
I would probably need at least 2 more paralegals to complete all the work.
Well, thanks so much, Christina, again, for taking the time to meet with me this morning and just give some feedback overview on kind of what we've been able to help you with in the last months now. And yeah, what was the problem you had prior to working with us that we were able to help with?
So originally I had an issue with automating my documents, and there were multiple documents that were automated, so now my team can produce them almost instantly, which was great for moving the cases along. I have a high volume caseload, so that was very, very productive for our team.
Yeah, that's really great. What kind of cases and what kind of filings were we preparing?
So you prepared release agreements that are standard between the parties. You prepared motions for default judgments, motions for summary judgments, and discovery requests.
And this is all related to freight debt collection type matters?
Yes.
Right,
yes.
Yeah. How long before we put this in place, how long would it take typically to do all those usually?
So my paralegals to create a release agreement would take about 0.3 of an hour to prepare, and now it's just a 0.1 to prepare the agreement. In terms of the motion for default judgment, it would take about an hour and a half to prepare. Now it's done within the first 20 minutes. Same for the motion for summary judgment. It would take about an hour and a half, and now it takes to put everything together about half an hour.
So safe to say, like, we at least cut things in half?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Wow. How many filings do you typically do, like a month or a week, would you say?
I would say that in terms of dispositive motions, average maybe 3 a week.
And you've done a lot of cases, over 1,700 cases.
Yes.
So it's, a high volume practice area that you have. So the standardization and deterministic nature of the workflows is very advantageous for your area, because it's almost the same thing kind of every time, right? It's just kind of plug and play.
Exactly.
Parties and things like that. So yeah, definitely a big win for putting in traditional automation workflows there. Where do you think you'd be right now if you hadn't hired us?
I think I wouldn't have been able to scale as much in terms of accepting more clients in. I would have to stop taking more clients because I wouldn't have the personnel to finish everything that needed to be done for the existing client.
How many people do you think you would need if you didn't have any of the automation? How much more overhead do you think that would be overall?
I would probably need at least 2 more paralegals to complete all the work.
Yeah, wow, big expense for sure.
Definitely.
Hoping you could share one thing else on for your web rankings. What was one of the things that we've helped accomplish in terms of your organic web traffic?
So I'm on the top. If you look for freight collections in Texas, I'm up there at the top, both in Google and ChatGPT. So if you're looking for someone that does exactly what I do, I'm there at the top, and that was thanks to your team for sure.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised how quickly we were able to do it. But yeah, it's really cool seeing ChatGPT, Gemini put recommendations up there for some of the blogs and content that we've created. So that's definitely a big win. You're one of the faster ones that we've actually been able to do that for. So I'm
Thank you.
very grateful that you've allowed us to help in that area. So yeah, thank you for that. For those on the fence about hiring us, what would you tell them?
I would say that it's definitely a great investment and that they should move forward. It's going to pay for itself.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you. Any other comments or thoughts?
Yeah, I wish you all the best, and I'll probably hire you in the future. I just need a break for now to concentrate in other aspects of my business.
Well, and we're here to support you all along the way. So looking forward to continuing to see your firm grow and expand as quickly as it is. And yeah, it's just looking up from here. So thanks so much, Christina, for you and all that you're doing. So it's really great.
Thank you, James.
Here.